We are at the SAME Europe Tri-Regional Summit, and it's been an amazing week, meeting with so many different federal client agencies, meeting with our industry partners. Having that networking and that industry and government engagement has been incredible. We also have been able to meet with a lot of our team members here in Germany, so that's been a great opportunity to be able to work with them and also partner and look at the upcoming opportunities that we have in the European region.
FPD, the Federal Planning Division of American Planning Association, partnered with SAME at the Tri-Services Regional Summit this year with a pre-conference workshop that consisted of just an amazing tour of local university that had great history and ties and connections with the U.S. military and really even the foundation of West Germany. So we had a great tour guide that walked through the campus, learned a little bit about the history and really urban planning in that sense. And we had a great day, beautiful weather, just an awesome event to be part of.
I would say like the crossover, how they bring all the kind of folks from government as well as SAME and the other AEs together. And it's like you're fully engaged to speak open to each and every one and how they get back to you. And like the round table idea, great. That's like you feel like actually you're heard. I did this one in the morning, and that was the first time I've been attending such a kind of open discussion with lots of the folks being involved, and it was very fruitful. And I hope that they do have some good takeaways, which they can, expedite and bring later on into something and turn into something actual, real. It was really great.
It felt quite nice seeing my team coming all the way from the States, being here for a week, and then not just getting to spend time here at the event, but also outside.